Okay, good day. I am Coach Arthur, and today I will teach you how to install the software for your Bluebot. Okay, so first and foremost, I would like to thank you for availing our product and congratulations on getting your robot. So first, we have to open our browser and search for the installer. So just simply type mlink2, click enter, and then we can see here from mblock we could download the driver for the software. So it depends if you are using Windows or Mac. If you're using Apple, you click this one. And if you're using a Chromebook, you click this one. But in my case, I am using a Windows laptop, so I will click this to download. Now it's downloading, as you can see here, but I was I actually am finished downloading that one. So let's assume you also was able to download. Um, it's this file. You just have to open your, again, let's open the file manager, click on downloads, and most likely you will find it here at the top. But since I downloaded it days ago, it's here. So let me just click this one, and then it will already install the software. So as you can see here, we are now done installing the software called MLink 2. Okay, now we can run this. Just click finish, and we now have our MLink 2. So you can also search for it in the search bar and just search MLink 2. Then you can open it here. So once opened, we simply click this one, okay? MBlock block-based editor. So click create now, and it will open another tab in your browser. Okay, so this is now the programming platform that we will use to program our robot. So to set this up, and you will need to do this every time you open this platform. So here at the bottom left, we can see the devices. So we click add, and then we scroll down so that we can find Arduino Uno. So click this one and click OK. Okay, once done and selected, we now go here to the left side of the middle portion where we can see here an extension. So we click this extension and we search for L293D. Again, that's L293D. So there would be many extensions for L293D, and this is the one that we will use. Okay, again, just remember who the developer is. This is his name, the developer, and then this is the one that we will use. Okay, not the other ones. So we just click add, and now we have the blocks for our mbot. So we can now start programming our bluebot or mbot. Now I'll try moving it forward. So we will move motor 1 and motor 4 forward at the power of 100%. So in order to upload this program or instruction to your robot, you will simply connect your robot here. Okay, just click this connect and then you will be able to upload the program. So you may also see this here at the bottom, this kind of like computer icon. So this is actually important. I forgot to tell. So we click this one. Then as you can see here, there is an install button. So we simply click this. Okay, this is the correct one. Okay, so the drive is successfully pre-installed in advance. So this is the one that you will see on your computer. If you see an error, you just click uninstall. Okay, and then install again. Okay, so that's it.